Do you find it challenging to pack light for a winter trip without leaving behind your favorite outfits? We all want to look our best, especially when we're on the go. But how do you manage with limited space? In this video, I'll share my top strategies for fitting an entire week's winter wardrobe into one carry-on. Imagine traveling without the hassle of heavy luggage and still having everything you need to stay cozy and stylish. Stay tuned until the end for an exclusive tip that will make packing even easier. Ready to travel light and chic? Let's get started. First up, let's talk about choosing versatile basics. When I say basics, I'm talking about those wardrobe staples that you can mix and match to create multiple outfits. For example, I always pack a black turtleneck. It's perfect for layering, looks chic on its own, and can be dressed up or down. Pair it with jeans for a casual day out or with a skirt and statement jewelry for a night out. This is especially helpful if you're planning activities like sightseeing during the day and dining out in the evening. Another versatile basic is a pair of dark jeans. They're incredibly practical for various occasions. You can wear them while exploring a new city, visiting a museum, or even for a casual dinner. They're comfortable and can be dressed up with the right top and accessories. For more versatility, consider packing a simple dress that can be layered. A long-sleeve dress can be worn with tights and boots for a day out, or dressed up with heels and a statement necklace for an evening event. It's all about choosing pieces that can easily transition from day to night. 8. Layering essentials. Layering is your best friend when it comes to winter packing. Lightweight, warm layers are key. I love thermal tops because they provide warmth without bulk. You can wear them under sweaters, dresses, or even on their own if it's not too cold. Speaking of sweaters, I always pack a cozy knit. Not only does it keep you warm, but it also adds texture to your outfits. One of my favorite layering tricks is to wear a thermal top under a chunky knit sweater and then throw on a scarf for extra warmth. This is perfect for outdoor activities like walking tours or a day in the city. Another essential layering piece is a lightweight fleece jacket. These jackets are great for providing an additional layer of warmth without taking up too much space in your bag. You can wear them under your main coat for extra insulation, or as a standalone jacket when the weather is milder. They're perfect for active days when you might be doing some light hiking or walking in the countryside. 7. Outerwear choices. Choosing the right outerwear is crucial. You want something warm, but also versatile. A packable down jacket is a great option because it can be compressed into a small space in your bag. It's lightweight, super warm, and perfect for layering over your outfits. Another great option is a trench coat with a removable lining. This way, you can use it in different weather conditions, and it looks stylish whether you're dressed casually or more formally. These choices are ideal for both city exploration and evening events. For more versatility, consider a coat that has multiple features, like a removable hood or an adjustable waist. These features can make your coat suitable for various weather conditions and styles. For example, you might need the hood during a snowy day but can remove it for a more streamlined look when heading to a nice dinner. 6. Accessories for warmth. Accessories are small but mighty when it comes to staying warm. Scarves, gloves, and hats are essential. I always pack a couple of scarves, one in a neutral color and one in a fun pattern to add some personality to my outfits. Gloves and a hat are a must, especially if you're heading somewhere really cold. These items take up minimal space, but make a huge difference in keeping you warm. Think about sightseeing in a chilly city or enjoying outdoor winter markets. Another must-have accessory is a pair of warm socks. Wool socks are perfect for keeping your feet cozy, whether you're walking around a city or spending the day in the countryside. They're especially important if you're going to be doing a lot of outdoor activities in cold weather. 5. Footwear strategy. Packing the right footwear can be tricky, but I've found a strategy that works. I usually bring one pair of versatile, comfortable boots that I can wear with different outfits. Think ankle boots that you can wear with jeans, skirts, or dresses. And here's a pro tip. Wear your bulkiest shoes on the plane to save space in your carry-on. For those who plan to do more outdoor activities, a pair of waterproof boots can be a lifesaver. These boots are perfect for snowy or rainy conditions and can keep your feet dry and warm. They're also great if you plan to do any light hiking or exploring nature trails. 4. Smart packing techniques. Now, on to the actual packing. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them can save a lot of space and reduce wrinkles. I swear by packing cubes, they keep everything organized and make it easier to find what you need without unpacking your entire bag. Trust me, once you start using packing cubes, you'll never go back. This method is perfect for any itinerary, as it keeps your outfits ready and easy to access, whether you're in a hotel or a cozy Airbnb. Another great packing technique is to use compression bags. These bags can significantly reduce the volume of your clothes by removing excess air. They're particularly useful for bulky items like sweaters and jackets. Just be sure to choose the kind that you can compress by rolling them, as this will make it easier to pack and unpack during your trip. 3. Utilize compact toiletries. When it comes to toiletries, travel-sized items are a lifesaver. Not only do they save space, but they also comply with carry-on regulations. I like to use solid alternatives, like shampoo bars and lotion sticks, which take up even less space and reduce the risk of spills. Plus, they're often more eco-friendly, which is a win-win. This tip is crucial for maintaining your beauty routine while staying within luggage limits. Another option is to use refillable travel bottles for your favorite products. This way, you can bring exactly what you need without having to buy new travel-sized items each time you travel. It's a more sustainable option and ensures you have your preferred products with you. 2. Dual-purpose items. Pack items that can serve multiple purposes. For example, a long cardigan can be worn as a sweater during the day and as a cozy robe at night. This not only saves space, but also ensures you have everything you need without overpacking. I also love packing a pashmina. It can be a scarf, a blanket on the plane, or even a shawl for an evening out. These versatile items are perfect for varying your looks while keeping your luggage light. Another dual-purpose item to consider is a pair of leggings. They can be worn as an additional layer under your pants for extra warmth, as workout gear if you plan to hit the hotel gym, or even as comfy loungewear in the evening. They're incredibly versatile and take up minimal space. 1. Wear your bulkiest items on the plane. One of my favorite tips is to wear your bulkiest items on the plane. This not only saves space in your carry-on, but also keeps you warm during the flight. Think about wearing your heaviest coat, your chunky sweater, and your sturdiest boots. You'll be more comfortable and have more room in your bag for other essentials. This is a great strategy for managing space and staying cozy during travel. In addition to saving space, wearing your bulkiest items on the plane can also make for a more comfortable flight. Airplanes can be quite chilly, so having an extra layer or two can help you stay warm and cozy. Plus, it's one less item you have to worry about fitting into your carry-on. All right, you've made it to the end. And as promised, here's my exclusive tip. Always prepare a detailed packing checklist before you start. This helps you ensure you don't forget any essentials and allows you to plan your outfits in advance. A checklist can make packing more efficient and less stressful, ensuring you have everything you need for a stylish and comfortable trip. For example, your checklist might include versatile basics like a black turtleneck and dark jeans, layering essentials such as thermal tops and cozy knits, and accessories like scarves and gloves. Having all these items written down ensures you won't overlook anything important. This way, you can systematically go through your list, packing each item with confidence. It's a simple step, but it can make all the difference in how smoothly your packing process goes and how well prepared you feel for your trip. Trust me, a little preparation goes a long way. With a little planning and the right techniques, you can fit everything you need into a carry-on and travel light and stylish. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's the one item you never leave behind on a winter trip? And what's your favorite winter destination? Let me know in the comments below. If you learned something from this video, you'll definitely enjoy this next one on 1 week's outfits in a carry-on bag, summer edition.